everyone. Thank you so much for stopping by today to see what I am up to. I have a box I'm not sure about, and it is the AIA Beauty Bundle, the American Influencer Awards Beauty Bundle for September 2021. They took this from bi-monthly to monthly. I like getting a nice mix of bi-monthly boxes, so I'm not sure what I think about this being now monthly. I might get overwhelmed with all this. Like I said, I liked having bi-monthly boxes versus all monthly. But, you know, if they're going to be good brands because this is an entire brand box, then we'll see. I don't know if there's a skip option on their site. I have not investigated that. But a little bit about AIA Beauty. It is $34 now, monthly, free U.S. shipping. You have access to influencer brands and products. It's like a box takeover each box each month. Each box will contain 5 to 6 full-size beauty products, makeup, skincare, hair care. They do donate $1 for each box purchased to their charity, and I do believe this is it's not going to be every other month. This is the September box. I was thinking it's still every other month. Oreo just popped down. I don't know what she wants here. This is what you see on the inside. This is a heavy one. I know who the brand is this month only because I did email them, like, what's going on? Are we going to have a skip option and not? Oops, almost lost that. So this brand right here for the month is Herbivore, and it's a skincare brand. You did get a card with product names, descriptions, and price. So that's always helpful. I love that. Looks like some nice stuff. I'm not going to complain about skincare. This is very heavy. Give you another little sneak peek there. And let's just get right in and see what we have. So we have Cocoa Rose Coconut Oil Body Polish right here. And highly moisturizing blend of virgin coconut oil and delicately floral Moroccan rose, $36. I don't think I can get that. Oh, it's sealed, so of course I can't get it open. I can feel I have a little bit of the oil on my hand from that, so some of it must be on the outside. So 30. Ooh, nice scent. Super light in rose, which is good. The next thing is Blue Tansy, a resurfacing clarifying mask. Well, that's not bad. Let me find that. $48. And as I open it, I'll read. I'm not sure about my lighting. I broke one of my light bulbs on my lights. I'm like, no. Then it was like, quick, clean it up. And, and this looks interesting right here. So this is a truly natural mask that gently clarifies skin with BHAs from white willow bark, fruit enzymes along with aloe and blue tansy essential oil to soothe the appearance of redness and irritation. $48. I mean, I cannot get anything open. Oh, there we go. And this does have a seal on it. That's liquidy. I can't. Is it supposed to be that liquidy? What is this? A clarifying mask. I don't know why that's that liquidy. I mean, it is. I don't know if you guys can see that, like, moving around in there. That is very liquidy. I didn't know. Usually masks are a little thicker than that when you apply it. And it comes with a little, tips and tricks there. I have no idea how you say this. Bakuchiol. I have no idea. Retinol Alternative Smoothing Serum. $54. Wow. Gentle enough for the most sensitive skin types. Whatever that word is. So here's the product. Whatever the word is, that B word. Let's I'm not having a good morning today. Works well with the skin to refine the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles with the power of natural botanicals. And this is a dropper. Hopefully you can see that. I don't want to open everything. Nice sizes. I mean, these are not small. You know, 1 fluid ounce. That's okay. I'm not angry at that. I think I have had this before from them. And this here is Lapis Facial Oil. Remember this being very nice. It has a dropper in it, $72. This oil holds a component called azulene, which is known to soothe dry and irritated skin, reduce the appearance of redness, and leave skin feeling more balanced. Like I said, I do remember using it just because I have very dry skin and remember liking it. I don't always love all the oils, so that's nice. I'm glad to have that again because I think I had a sample of it. And this is called Pink Cloud Rosewater and Tremella Creamy Jelly Cleanser, $24. So that's nicely priced. This is 3.3 ounces. You know, I think their packaging is basic, but I'd rather them not charge us for fancy packaging. But this is nice. This glass with a pump. This is really nice. Oh, no scent. Interesting. Oh God, did you hear that hit? Ooh. I'm not angry at this. I'm not necessarily a fan of masks all the time. Oreo is right here. And, but to have a body scrub is nice, especially if you self-tan, or even just to, you know, you still have dead skin cells on your body. And I know when you get in the shower and you get washed and all that, it does remove your dead skin cells, but I think having a scrub just does that much even better, especially like your legs where you shave. Believe it or not, under your arms, use a little bit of a scrub. It helps get rid of, you know, dead skin cells there too, and keep your underarms nice and smooth. So that is my Herbivore AIA Beauty Bundle for the month of September. I'm not angry at this. Like I said, I don't know how I feel about them switching from bi-monthly to monthly. I'm okay with the monthly box if we could skip. And like I said, I have not done too much investigating. I've just been so busy. And then with my back, like if I start to see hair care, I'm going to have to either cancel or skip that box. I just don't need it. I have so much hair care, plus my own stuff that I like to use. So, you know, if I start to see next month, you know, I've heard rumors that one box could be MAC Cosmetics. Now, if that be the case, if they're going to start leaning towards skincare makeup, and maybe once a year to do hair care, or, you know, twice a year, I'd be okay with that. As long as the other 10 months were, I would like to see more makeup. Not so much all the time skincare, more makeup brands. I know we got Manicadar. I mean, that's a good brand. Give us MAC. You know, if you're going to be a monthly box, I'm sure they're a decent size company. If they're doing monthly boxes, let's get some nice brands. I mean, and they don't have to be, you know, ABH or, you know, Natasha or Huda Beauty. How about some nice Gerard Cosmetics or Koki Cosmetics, or like they did Manicadar? There's just Smashbox. There's so many brands out there. Give us some more affordable makeup options. I don't always want the high end that not a lot of us can afford to go out and buy anyway, but to spend $34 to get a box, to get a whole box of, let's say, MAC makeup, I think that's definitely worth it. Some of these brands can be pricey. So only time will tell what their boxes will be like and whether I keep this one, or hopefully we have a skip option. I know most boxes you can skip a month. I mean, you can even do that on Ipsy. So hopefully they allow us to do that if we start to see boxes that we don't want, or I'll just cancel, and I guess I could re-sign up. I don't know. We'll have to keep an eye on that. So let me know what you think about this going monthly. I know a lot of people were excited. I'm on the fence. I don't know how I feel about it. And what do you think of this brand? I know Herbivore is a good skincare brand, so I'm not angry at having more skincare. I just would rather have more makeup right now. So I appreciate you watching. I hope you all have a great day, and I'll see all of you in my next video. Bye-bye now.